Hello students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Students, today I am going to discuss the proof of properties of definite integration. In my previous video, students, I tell the all properties of definite integration one by one, but today I am going to prove the properties of definite integration one by one. So students, see there, property number 1. What is the property number 1 integration? I already tell you the property number 1 is integration a to b fx dx is equal to integration a to b ft dt. It means, students, when any function fx integrated within a given limit, then if we integrate the variable change function but function is same and limit is also same, then the value of integration of both side is same. That is, अगर किसी फंक्शन का बच्चों हम इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं किसी गिवन लिमिट में और उसी फंक्शन का हम उसी लिमिट में सिर्फ वेरिएबल चेंज करके अगर हम इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं तो वैल्यू नहीं बदलती है. इसका मतलब ये हुआ बच्चों कि अब देखिए बच्चों प्रूफ करते हैं इसको तब समझ में आएगा क्या है. लेट्स प्रूफ दिस. सो इंटीग्रेशन, वी नो दैट indefinite integration of any function fx you all is some solution, some answer, that is called fx plus c. Now take LHS, students. That LHS is integral a to b fx dx. So students, here definite integration, but sometime you forgot this limit. Only indefinite integration fx dx is capital Fx plus c. So apply this capital Fx plus c. Then using limit, firstly upper limit by second fundamental theorem of, then this is fb plus c minus then lower limit, students, fa plus c. This gives, students, c cancel out, this gives fb minus fa. Now take RHS, students. So RHS is, what is RHS? ft dt within limit a to b. Students, when integration of fx dx is capital Fx plus c, similarly function is same, only variable is same, so its integral is ft, capital Ft, and limit is a to b. Now apply limit, then upper limit firstly fb plus c, then minus lower limit, then fa plus c, then c cancelled, student. This gives fb minus fa. So you see that value of LHS is value of RHS. fb minus fa, fb minus fa, LHS equal RHS. Hence proved property number first. So students, this property says when any function within the given limit a to b, if function is same and limit is same, then the only variable is changed, then the value of integration is remains unchanged. So now students, let us take some example based on property number 1. अब हम कुछ एग्जांपल्स के द्वारा आपको प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 1 कैसे यूज होती है उसको हम समझाएंगे बच्चों. सो एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन so that integration 1 to 3 1 upon x dx is equal to integration 1 to 3 1 upon t dt. So students, here function is fx is 1 upon x and there ft is 1 upon t. So fx is 1 upon x, so its integration fx dx is equal to integration 1 upon x dx is equal to 1 log x. So take LHS, students, first. LHS is 1 to 3 1 upon x dx, students. So 1 upon x integration is log x. So log x and 1 to 3. Then apply the limit. So first you all know applies upper limit in place of x, then log 3 minus log 1. Log 1 value is 0, students. So this gives log 3. So this value of this side, LHS side is 3. Now take RHS. So RHS students, only variable is changed. You can see that limit is same and function is same, but variable is only changed, x t. So take RHS. So students, this is RHS 1 upon t dt students. This is log t, and apply limit. Firstly apply upper limit. This gives log 3 minus log 1. So this is log 3. So LHS equal RHS. So students, you see that how we apply property number first in definite interval. Now students, let us move our next property, which is property number 2. Property number 2. I already tell you what is the property number 2. Property number 2 says, students, integration a to b fx dx is equal to minus b to a fx dx. Students, this property is also called limit changing property. It says when any function is integrated within a given limit, then if we interchange limit, then there is negative sign in the value of definite integration. So now students, proof. How we prove? We know that students, integral of any indefinite integration function is capital Fx. C is always there, but in definite integration there is not C, so we cannot use C. So this is capital Fx. Now LHS, take LHS students. So LHS is a to b fx dx, then integration capital Fx, then apply limit a to b, firstly upper limit, then this is fb minus fa. So students, now take this RHS students. So RHS is minus b to a fx dx. Function is same, so integration of this function is always fx, and there is minus sign, then limit is b to a. So apply firstly upper limit, then this is fa minus fb. So minus multiplies in bracket which gives fb minus fa. So students, you can see that the LHS equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS, hence proved property number 2. इस तरीके से property number 2 proof की जाती है students. So now students, let us take some examples so that you understand how implement property number 2 in definite integration. That is verify of definite integration property number 2. So some examples. What is the examples? Here are some examples students. Integration 1 to 2 x square dx is equal to minus 2 to 1 2 to 1 minus 2 to 1 x square dx. So now students, take LHS. इसको verify करना है student. So LHS then in 1 to 2 x square dx, and all we know that integration of x की power n dx equal to x की power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So x की power 2 का integration x की power 2 plus 1 students upon 2 plus 1, limit 1 to 2. So this is 2 plus 1 3, constant is, and x equal to x cube and 1 to 2. So firstly apply upper limit, then 2 का cube minus lower limit 1 का cube. This gives 2 का cube 8 minus 1 7 upon 3 students. This is 7 upon 3. Now students, take RHS. What is RHS students? So RHS is minus time 2 to 1 x square dx. So this gives also minus x cube upon 3 and limit 2 to 1. So minus 1 by 3. There is firstly upper limit 1 का cube minus then lower limit 2 का cube. This gives minus 1 by 3 minus 7. So this is 7 upon 3. So LHS equal to RHS. So students, this shows that this value shows when limit is changed, then there is negative sign in outside the integration sign. Example number 2. स्टार्ट कर दिया. टेक एग्जांपल नंबर 2. What is example number 2, students? Integration 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 to 0 cos x dx. So students, take LHS. So LHS is cos x, integration cos x is, students, sin x. All know integration of cos x is sin x, limit 0 to pi by 2. Firstly apply upper limit, and sin pi by 2 minus sin 0, this gives 1. Now take RHS, students. RHS is minus time pi by 2 to 0 cos x dx. So cos x का integration, students, sin x, and apply pi by 2 0, this gives minus sin 0 minus sin pi by 2. So this is also 1. So LHS equal to RHS. So students, these are today I proved property number 1 and 2 with some examples. So thank you, students. Our next class is after 5 minutes. Thank you.